brought self life. Simply, you can't make any interference with nature. Already you are made. But when a life is dead with your blood, you can simply donate your blood. And don't know, you simply donation can save a life. They can see, they can watch, they can enjoy, they can feel, and may contribute better than you. By that, you brought circulate in his brain. By otherwise, what I feel that I by Buddhist in, by birth, but I'm donating a blood to be Hindu, Muslim, Sikh, Isai. It's a good message. By blood, you can't you recognize that his blood is equal to Hindu, Muslim, or any caste, community, creed. But just simply, you see, by blood we are self, we are human. It denotes that we are all human beings. Blood does not denotes any particular community. It's a universal fraternity. It creates very good universal message to the entire world. So, I once again I suggest you, I request you, pray you that please do that blood, self-love.